I find unboxing videos to be a bore, but we had to show you this one because it's a factory serviced machine and it's going to save you a lot of money. This machine does easily the 9 layers of heavy denim, and it's got the information display screen with the sewing advisor. It's very easy to cut the thread with the touch of a button. You can do blind hems with no problem, overcast an edge. If you want to do a heavy seam, like in a pair of jeans, we're going to do the flat felled seam, and then you can turn it, get 9 layers there, sew over it, use your hump jumper to go over that thick seam, and then when you want to program it to write your words, you can do that. It has lots of decorative stitches. Here's a beautiful feather. It's easy to pivot on it. It does great buttonholes. About the only thing this machine doesn't have that the original machine had is the manual, which we can get you a copy of, and a case.